Hey guys, in this video we're going to be answering another frequently asked question, that how many products should I be testing to find a winner, or how many designs should I be testing to find a winner. By testing I mean launching, alright? And what do I mean by a winner? A winner is anything that gets you profitable. And so different people have different definitions of winners. Like for somebody, a winning product or a winning design could be something that's made them $100 in profit. For some people it could be $1,000 in profit. For some people it could be $100,000 in profit, alright? So I'm saying pick whatever definition you want to pick for a winner. Now coming back to the question that how many designs or how many products should you be testing to find a winner. Now listen, if someone gives you that answer, just slap the person because he's lying to you. Because listen, if someone could tell you, test 10 products and you're going to find a winner, don't you think it's going to be so easy? Don't you think e-commerce is going to be so easy? अगर आपको कोई बता देता है कि 10 टेस्ट करो एक विनर मिल जाएगा या 20 टेस्ट करो एक विनर मिल जाएगा, यार फिर तो बंदा 10 और 20 टेस्ट करता रहेगा ना. मैं सब छोड़ छाड़ के वही करूँगा, like everyone else. It's not that easy. If I know that after testing, let's say 20 products, I can find a winner, don't you think e-commerce is going to be so easy? It's not that easy. It has a lot more factors. राइट अगर ऐसा ही है तो सब छोड़ो, अपने सारे परिवार वालों को लगाओ, बिठाओ और ई-कॉमर्स में टेस्टिंग करते हैं ना. मम्मी पापा बहन भाई चाचा ताऊ, everyone, let's just sit and test 20 products day in and day out and get winners. It's not that easy. Alright, now the question is, यार फिर क्या? Like how do I know कितने products test करो कि winner मिले? देखो, there is no fixed answer to it. Because finding a winner depends on a lot of factors. It depends on the targeting that you do. It depends on the ads that you write. It depends on the videos or the images that you're promoting. It depends on the product that you're promoting or the design that you're promoting. It depends on your pricing. Then it also depends on the time. It depends on the optimization that happens on your ad account. It depends on how much money you're investing. It also depends if you're patient enough or not. It depends if you really want to build this business or not. It depends on a lot of factors. But still, if you ask me for an average, the average out of all of this is around 15-20 products. That's the average. It could also be one. I've seen people, they test their first product or first design and they get profitable. And I've also seen people who test up to 50 designs and 50 products and still don't get profitable. All right. But if you ask me for an average, it's going to be around 15 to 20 designs of products. That is a ballpark figure that I can give you, but it is not fixed. Very straight. If you want to get into e-commerce, definitely, I want you to come with this mindset that I'm in it to win it and I'm ready to do whatever it takes. You see, I get so excited when I speak about this. You should be ready to do whatever it takes if you really want to build an e-commerce or dropshipping business for yourself. All right. Now that's about how much money you will have to invest in Facebook ads. And I would highly recommend you to also invest in mentorship, in programs, in mentorship, so that you have an idea, you have a direction on where you need to be going with your e-commerce business. So you should definitely to check out our program on my profile or below this video or wherever. I would highly recommend you check it out, sign up, because that's going to give you a direction. You're going to have a proven plan of action and it's going to shorten the learning curve for you. You would be able to reach where you want to reach with the right mentorship, with the right program, with the right support. So I highly recommend you to invest in that as well. So that's it guys, this is Nishkarsh. I'm going to speak to you soon. Bye. Yeah.